were not obtained dishonestly. And that pure honor could only be obtained by a deserving man. So that pure honor could only be obtained by a deserving man. And Aragon is saying that I am a deserving person because I am a prince of Aragon. How many low-ranking people would be separated out from the ranks of the truly honorable? How much true honor could be recovered from the worthless rubbish of life? This is to be given its originality of brightness. Well, it is my choice. Who chooses me will get as much as he deserves. I shall take up the which I deserve. Give me the key of this casket and unlock my fortune without delay. Now he opens the silver casket. Now Portia, you pause too long for one who has found more good fortune. Aragon, what is there inside in the casket? The portrait of a fool with goggling eyes who offers a written note to me. I will read it, and how unlike Portia is this portrait. So how dissimilar is to what I hoped, that what I deserve. Whoever chooses me shall I get what he deserves. So then deserve no more than had of a fool. Is that my price? Do I deserve no more than this? Portia says, to commit an offense and to pass judgment on the offense are quite different actions, and in their nature they are opposed to each other. Aragon, what is this? This is metal was tested 7 times by fire. Now write down this scene introduces the Prince of Aragon. Aragon, Arragon. Prince of Aragon. He promises Portia that if he loses, he will leave quietly. He will leave quietly and will never relieve to anyone. And will never reveal to anyone. He rejects the gold casket. He rejects the gold casket, 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 and he does not wish to place himself among the many men. Among the many men. Among the many men who desire to choose it. he chooses the silver one as he is impressed by its inscription. What is written? By its inscription. What was the inscription? Who? Shall get as much as he deserves.
What's the second word?
Choose it. As much as he deserves. So arrogant is proud to think that I am a deserving because I am a prince of arrogant. So I will deserve Portia. So the silver casket has only a one picture of fool's hat with a scroll. So arrogant shockingly asked if he deserved no more than a fool's hat. So on this he is reminded by Portia that no man is allowed to judge his own case. So the prince departs with the promise to keep his oath, and Portia is relieved and says that even fools choose deliberately thinking themselves to be clever but are ultimately defeated by their foolishness. So a servant comes and informs Portia of the arrival of a young Venetian who has brought greetings and gifts. So he says of the Venetian that he is so likely ambassador of love. A day in April never came so sweet to show how costly summer was at hand. So in this line, Portia remembers Bassanio and expresses her eagerness to meet him. Nerissa also wishes that suitor may be Bassanio. So in this characterization, Prince of Aragon represents pride and he has high self-esteem because of his own nobility. He is not as Morocco, yet he scorns others, having a low opinion of them, but Aragon doesn't make any Morocco's obvious choice of the most sparkling gold casket. Because as his name suggests, he was a very high opinion of himself. So he doesn't want to choose like many men who choose merely by appearance. And he doesn't want to be, and he says that, but like the martlet builds in the weather on the outward wall, even in the force and rod of casualty. So Aragon is attracted by the inscription on the silver, which says, "Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves." So he thinks himself to be the most deserving, and he feels that there are so many succeed without having any inner merit. So Aragon is proud and he has absolutely no doubt about what he deserves. Because of his inherited nobility, he chooses the silver casket, and it is shown that to deserve only a fool's hat. So Aragon has no craving for Portia, and Portia is to be deserved. So this scene has no evidence to show, write down, this scene has no evidence, important line, this scene has no evidence to show that Aragon loves Portia. Neither Morocco nor Aragon is a true lover, comma, because They cannot hazard all. They cannot hazard all, which is possible only for a true lover, like Bassanio. So in this scene, test of character is revealed. That this scene proves that the lottery of the casket is a true test of character, and Prince of Aragon is vain and conceited. So due to his pride, he thinks that he deserves the best virtue of his rank and position, but he chooses the silver casket. And silver casket stands for conceit. Conceit. Silver casket stands for and vanity and self-deception, and all the three traits in Aragon's personality. So the fool's heart which Aragon gets is like the death's heart found by Morgo in the gold casket. So it is a moral symbol. What is the moral symbol in this scene? That the fool's heart which Aragon gets is like the death's heart found by Morocco in the gold casket. So this is the moral symbol, and it stands for the folly of man. It stands for folly of man, who often submit to pride, thinking that only reasoning can make them succeed. So quick, I pray thee draw the curtain straight. The Prince of Aragon hath in his oath, and comes to his election presently. Quick means hurry. Narissa is in hurry, and he is requesting to Portia that opens the curtains at once, and the Prince of Aragon has taken the oath and has come to make his choice. Now enter the Prince of Aragon, Portia and their other attendants. Look, these are the caskets, noble prince. If you choose the one which has my picture, our wedding will be confirmed. Now Aragon turn a precious silver casket and tell me again what inscription is on you. Whoever chooses me will get as much as he deserves. So who chooses me will get he deserve. I shall take up that which I deserve. Give me the key of this casket and unlock the fortune delay. Now Portia, you paused too long. One has found the most good fortune. Aragon, how dissimilar to what I hoped for and what I deserve. Whoever chooses me shall get as he deserved. Did I then deserve no more than head of a fool? Is that my price? Do I deserve no more than this? So Portia says to commit an offense and to pass the judgment of the judgment on the offense are quite different actions, and in their nature they are opposed to each other. So Aragon says, what is this? This metal was tested 7 times by fire, and if I stay longer here I will appear a bigger fool. I came to woo Portia with 1 foolish hat, but I returned with 2. Dear lady, I will keep my promise and patiently suffer my misfortune. And Portia, no more of both has been burned by the candle. Those headstrong fools, when they choose the wisdom of their superficial knowledge, makes me lose. What is the meaning of wroth? W-R-O-T-H?
Both.
W-R-O-T-H. Wroth. W-R-O-T-H. Misfortune. M-S-A-M-I-S-S? Wrongly. with his
Fire.
like fire. Aragon goes off and with his followers. Now Portia, thus one more moth has been burned by the candle. So those headstrong fools, when they choose the wisdom of their superficial knowledge, makes me lost. Narissa, the old saying is true that being hanged and being married to a wife are decided by the fate. Come, draw the curtains, Narissa. Now one servant is entered. Where is the fair lady? Portia, she is here. What do you want, my lord? Servant, madam, a young Venetian has just arrived at your gate, and he has been sent in advance to announce the arrival of his master. He brings from him precious tokens of courtesy, that is to say, costly gifts in addition to greetings and gifts and messages. So far, I have not seen so generous an ambassador of love. A day in April never began too pleasantly, showing that rich summer is at hand. So, in the same way, this horseman comes before, announcing the arrival of his master. Now, Portia, speak no more. I am requesting to you that fair that you would say in a relationship of yours, since you bestow on him. And now such a great praise, come Narissa, for I wish to see the sweet messenger of Cupid who has arrived in so decent manner. Narissa, maybe it may be a Bassanio, but oh God,